What's up, PQ dolls? And today we're going to be doing a frontal ponytail. So first I'm starting off just hot combing my edges, hot combing my hair to make sure everything is sleek, slick, straight. We get in the back, we get in the naps, we slicking up everything today. And this is actually going to be my first time doing a frontal ponytail on myself. I always do it on my clients. I done did frontal ponytails 1,000 times. But today I'm doing it on myself for my birthday. And I'm like, you know what? I think the type of hairstyle I want to do is a quick little frontal ponytail. So now I'm taking my freeze spray and then I'm spraying it on and then blow drying it just to harden it up, just to mold my hair into the ponytail. So you just want to spray, brush, blow dry, spray, brush, blow dry, and smooth it out. So this is how it's looking after I've done molded everything. Now I'm going to take my stocking cap and put it on. Once you put your stocking cap on, you want to cut your ear tabs on each side, boop. Then do the other side, boop. Now I'm going to put some Erica J glue along my hairline. And guys, when I mean this glue melts, it really melts and it's a strong hold. You don't have to worry about your frontal lifting or anything. And I love this glue because it reminds me of my glue when I had perp glue. Guys, I'm going to come back out with my perp glue very soon, so stay tuned for that. But this is the best glue as an alternative to when I don't have any of my own glue. Now I'm applying makeup on top of the cap. And then I'm going to cut it off to get ready to place my frontal on. And this is how I always do my ball cap method. Whether it's on me, whether it's on my client. I simply just put the cap on, cut the ears out, and put some glue on. That's it. Easy, simple. Now I'm putting makeup on the back of my frontal, and then I'm going to spray some Got To Be Free spray so that it sticks to the glue. If you don't put free spray after you put makeup on a frontal, it's not going to stick to the glue. So make sure you guys don't forget that. Now I'm applying my layers. I'm going to be applying 3 layers along my hairline. After you applied your layers of glue, now you're going to want to put your frontal on and press it into the glue. Easy, simple. Take your comb and press the lace into the glue. Then you take your blow dryer. I'll be putting my blow dryer on cool because I feel like it works better on cool. But put your blow dryer on cool and just dry the glue. Next, I'm cutting the lace off in a zigzag motion so that, you know, your lace could be invisible. When you do it zigzag, it basically looks better and it doesn't look like you just cut your lace straight across. So make sure you do zigzag. And if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button now. I'm trying to reach the goal of 1,000 subscribers at least by the summertime. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And comment some purple hearts. Period. So now I'm just parting around my ears and then I'm going to cut off the excess lace. Next, you want to spray your hairline with some Got To Be Freeze spray to get an extra hold, extra melt. Now we are going to sew the frontal on. Yes, we're going to sew the frontal on. This is what's going to help hold the frontal in place when you put it in a ponytail. So, same way I'm doing, just take your needle and thread and just sew it on. And guys, I'm so sorry for the noise in the background. Not even an AC bed is just tearing the house up. Okay? I'm sorry for the extra noise. Now, once you're done sewing your frontal on, you're just going to cut the ball cap off. Now we are going to style the front of our hair. I'm parting off the bang, which is going to be my swoop. And then I'm going to hot comb it in place. And then I'm going to start parting off my edges. Just keep watching. If you guys are still watching and made it halfway through this video with me, make sure you drop some purple hearts in the comments. Thank you. So at this point, I'm just spraying and hot combing, just trying to make it look neat and slick it up. And that's basically what I'm doing right now. And for those of you who love watching my videos and like the content that I'm doing, comment some other hairstyles you want to see me do. Like, I'm very creative, so. So once everything is slicked up and into the ponytail, we're going to start plucking our edges. It's time for the edges, my favorite part. Now we're going to take our mini curling flat iron and curl up our edges so it can be easier for when you're swooping it with the mousse. Now on to my favorite part. We're going to take our mousse and start swooping the baby hairs. Now, if you guys want a full tutorial on how I do my baby hairs, y'all gotta get me to 1,000 subscribers so I can do an in-depth tutorial on how I get the perfect edges. Now onto the ponytail. I'm taking my black wrap strip and some freeze spray and wrapping it around to cover my hair. So this is gonna protect my hair from getting glue on it. Now you want to take your glue and start applying it to the track so we can get to the part where we start wrapping it around the ponytail. And as you wrap the track around the ponytail, you're going to want to blow dry to dry the glue. So at this point, I'm just putting glue, wrapping it around, putting glue, wrapping it around till I get to the top. Last but not least, you're going to take some hair from the ponytail to cover the track. So this is going to be a band around the ponytail. I don't know how you guys say it, but you're just going to take that piece and wrap it around the ponytail to create that nice, sleek finish. You don't see no tracks. And finally, we're going to take that freeze spray and we're going to smooth out our swoop, mold it down. And this is basically the final look, you guys. At this point, it was like 3 in the morning. I was tired. I'm like, I'm going to just do the flips tomorrow when I get dressed. And it came out super cute. If you guys like this video, make sure you drop some purple hearts in a comment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.